know the National Hardware Show is my favorite show. This is the greatest show, but
the National Hardware Show, outdoor, garden, tools, paint, and more. There are so many cool things out here. It's where all the retailers go to find the cool stuff that we see on those shelves. This is a rolling cooler by Rover. Checkmate, baby. This is Rhino Cart. So shoe bug, don't bother me. So this is called shoe bug. So they even have the little citronella bracelets for the kids at night. So
why not? Yard Lock's got you safe.
It's called the Rapid Raptor. This is not my purse. This is my grill. Yeah. They just came out with their XL outdoor fan, which is Oklahoma
Would you look
Joe
at the grill, Cody?
Look at this. Look at the smoke. Look at the smoke. Hang on. Let me eat my turkey wing. And so red toolbox.
Sure can. They won an award here at the National Hardware Show.
Rescue is one of my favorite brands. It's called their Fly Pad. A lot of bugs died in the making of this panel for you guys.
Oh my gosh.
But, you know what? At least they went down in a blaze of glory the right way. Thanks to Rescue. To get them some stag. We might need to get them some stag credentials eventually, but that's okay, right?
You were too good.
Of course, I stopped in the East Oak booth. EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra.
I was having a little bit too much fun in the Night Eyes
so
booth.
much.
I love this. So this is the Night Eyes Radiant Starlit Portable Lantern. Because
Extreme Mist, check out this water bottle. You have a little mister here. We just need like some 80s rock music going on right now, right? This is Rapid Rope. So this is a shower filter, but it's gonna give you that Zen spa-like experience. This is from the new Inventors area. Are you ready to get blown away? This is Turnex. This is also in the new Inventors area. Every bit you possibly could want is in here. Super easy to get out when you need. I mean, we're at the National Hardware Show. Of course, we got to talk about some tools. So my friends at 1791 EDC.
you get in that platform, it's interchangeable throughout. Such a smart solution from Cenex.
And then all those cords, right? They're always, I don't know about you guys, over the holidays, I'm always fighting, trying to get them out. It's like a clown car. I'm just pulling 10 out of there. This is brand new. It's called the Cord Dock.
Sure. Thank you so much, Kathryn. You are the queen of lifestyle and home improvement. We appreciate you. Always find the best products. I love it.
On BeTheBestHome.com. Ready to get back to the floor?
Let's
go.
This is the greatest show.